In this video, I will explain to you what is business email. Insert an email that uses your domain. After that, add a symbol is the business email. The generic format of a business email is support@yourdomain.com. As an example, if your domain is johnfurniture.com, an example of a business email will be the support@johnfurniture.com. It is not gmail.com, it is not hotmail.com, but it is your domain.com. Right after that, added a symbol. You may wonder what is the advantages of the business email over Gmail or Hotmail. It is really simple. The main reason is because it looks authentic. Let's say a staff from your company wants to mail a customer. If you send it from a business email, the customer can understand the mail is coming directly from your brand or your company. But if it comes from a Gmail, anyone can create an Gmail account, so the customer will not know whether it is authentic or not. So that is where business email come into the place. So you do actually get a business email. There are two ways. The first is to actually get the business email, and the other way is actually called email forwarding, which is normally free in most cases. Let me explain to you is one of them right now. So for the business email, you have to buy it from provider. It is really cheap. Often it comes at less than $1 a month, and your domain provider may also provide the business email service. So wherever you bought a domain set, if they also provide the business email. Now let's talk about the email forwarding. Email forwarding typically is forwarding an email to a particular email. So let's say your customer write an email to supportyourdomain.com. If you using email forwarding, you can receive the mail or female or hotmail or Yahoo mail. Whatever you want, an email is free. So when customer send at support@yourdomain.com, you will receive at the female who is a free. An email forwarding feature is normally free in most cases as of now. Name, Zip and Shopify offer free email forwarding if you buy a domain from them. This email forwarding feature is to make your business look more professional. You can put the business email in your website, and when customer mails it to that email, and then you will receive it in your Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail Alright, so the tip which I have here is that whatever you wanna call it, it is the formal offer that is offer free business email for the domain you own. So no matter where you buy your domain, whether it is named Jeep or GoDaddy, whatever you bought it, you can use the whole email to shut off free business email. Alright, not email forwarding. And business email which elicit inbox where you can set up with the Joe, and most people often pay a monthly fee to get the business email. But Joe Homer offer it for free, and I use it for my business. So definitely check out this, and you can get your business email for free. So just search on the Google Zoho Mail and then sign up and then link your domain. And you have to do setup quizzes and one-time setup, and that show how you get your business email. That is for this video. I will see you guys in my next video.